Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. I gotta apologize about my voice today here, guys. As the day goes on, I'm losing it. Today, guys, we're gonna take a look at just a killer little 1972 Dodge Demon. Wicked cool car, guys. Two-owner, original state of Washington car. All matching numbers, very actually original car. Buddy of mine, Mike, is the one who found this car for me. This car was actually restored in the late 80s, early 90s. So it is an older restoration. Yes, you can pick some stuff on it. I'll try to point that stuff out as we go by. But really a neat car. If you're looking for a nice driver, I think you're going to really like this car. Original color combination, of course, the GB5 blue metallic. Most of the interior is actually original. The vinyl top is original on the car. It's matching numbers engine, matching numbers trans, got the matching numbers rear end in it with a 355 sure grip. Again, restored in the late 80s, early 90s, in a good car. Good, straight, nice driver is what I would call this car. Can you pick it? Yes. As we go around it, you're going to see some stuff. But like I say, a good car. Chrome and stainless is pretty doggone nice. You can definitely see a lot of this stuff's original. I believe the bumpers are all original. As you go around the paint, you're just going to find some imperfections in the paint, guys. Again, it's older. There's little, touch-up marks. There's definitely some little flex marks in it as you walk around it. Not that you're going to be ashamed of the paint or anything like that, but just, I don't want you to think it's got show paint on it. Again, this is the original vinyl top, which is in great shape. I believe most of the glass is actually original. Again, almost all the interior is original. I love the pop-out rear windows. I think those are so cool. Sorry, we got little winds blowing. Leaves are crazy today. They did change the rear package tray. That's not original. What's that? Oh, it's got an inside hood release. I'm sorry. Should have told you that. Sorry, this car's equipped with an inside hood release. Owen's not used to that. Again, you kind of, you can see a little wear marks on the bumpers, but still really nice. I put brand new. It's got brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. Those brand new rubber all the way around it. I put a little bit bigger tire. It's got two 35/60s in the rear, two 15/70s in the front, factory 14-inch rally wheels. Again, little things like this. Like I said, I'm not trying to pick the car to death, but we sell 90% of these cars sight unseen. I really kind of want people to know what they're getting, as you walk around, you can just see some little stuff on the car. Again, brand new rubber. I put brand new exhaust on it. Oh, that's just something. That's a little wax, guys. Sorry. It's got power front disc brakes. Again, this is the matching numbers 340 engine. It does have hardened valve seats in it. We know that. They pulled it apart and done that. Power steering, power front disc brakes, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. It's electronic ignition with a Rev-n-Nater on it. I don't have any experience with that, but really, we just turn the key and it fires right up. Matching number 727 torqueflite automatic trans. You can see it's got the stock radiator in it with the shroud. Good car. Like I say, I think if you're looking for a good driver, I think you'll really like the car. touch-up mark. Little mark in the windshield. I believe this original, yeah, original front glass. I'm sorry, I think I might have said they replaced it. It's got the actual original glass in it. This is the 4th car of the day, so stuff's starting to run together. It's got the dual sport mirrors on it, which is pretty cool. Original door handles. Again, the car's been repainted one time. There's your original door tag. You can see the door seams are clean. He said most of this, the carpet, the seats, this stuff is original. And in really good shape, actually. Bucket seats, console, tough wheel. It looks like it's got all the factory correct seat belts in it. Again, they did change the package tray. Headliner looks original. Factory dash, it's showing 22,000. I'm sure that's 122,000. It's got an aftermarket oil pressure gauge over here. Factory wood grain dash. Aftermarket radio. Does have a vintage tach in there, which is pretty cool. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's an 8 3/4 323 sure grip. That's right from the factory. Factory jacks in here. It looks like it's got all the original body panels still on it. Spares in here. Again, this is all. End up pulling a tail light out. Pull the spring off the jack. But original spares here. Again, you can see the original insulation on the quarters. And then this is pretty cool. This is a story about the original owner, original owner's manuals, original window sticker, the original sales receipt when he bought it brand new. There's some little receipts in there, some brochures, a copy of the original Washington title. Cool stuff to have, you know. It goes down the road real good. I've driven it a couple of times. Really hits the road good. You guys can see a couple new cars just got in today. I apologize that it's been taking us so long to get stuff advertised, but our weather sucks right now. It's beautiful today and tomorrow, but we had a rough week. Missed a little dust in the door jambs there. Yeah, door skins are clean. I think the paint in here is actually original. Seats are good. Again, he said that stuff is original to the car. Dash pad's nice, gauges are clean, steering wheel looks good. Mirrors. Really seems to run and drive out just real good. Like I say, just good tight car. Give a little rev on. Actually, you may have to do that on. You may have to cut. I can't pin it with one hand. You're gonna have to hop out and pin it. Gauges are functional. Again, the tach works. You can see it works. Oil pressure gauge works. Blower motor works. Sorry, it's just too hard to do that with one hand. Rev on. It's got good sound. It's a good car, man. Radio works. Got your gauge music on there. It's probably Owen's channel there. It opens and shuts nice. Wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Pull out in that sun, Owen, so you can see it out in the sun. Pull out a little further, Owen, so they can see it in the sun. There you go.